fucking know, because first off, the one little dog is so freaking cute. I'm not even gonna cat, but he's a little chihuahua that they just got from Mexico. Okay, first of all,
Oh.
I don't even know if not Espanier, but she said they're all bilingual. First of all, I don't have time for that. He's not house trained. And then they said $350. What?
Why?
I don't have time for that.
The center I just sent you, you can call them too. I think they should have a website. Hold on. Cause I mean, my puppy was on the website. Let me see.
They have puppies on their website too, but he just gave me their card. And he's like, yeah, we update every weekend, this and that, or whatever. And I'm like, baby, $350. I get it.
Yeah, but
Come
you want
like
a dog?
with the spade and neutering and all that mumbo jumbo, everything like that. But baby, $350. Hello.
Know what happened? I called you back.
It's okay.
Yeah, they got. I'm looking. Ooh, that one's so cute. Ooh, that one's thick as fuck. Yeah, I'm finna see this website. Hold on.
Cause baby, are
I'm
they
finna
out there
send you the.
today? Is it every Sunday they have it, or is it just once a month?
They are no, they're out there all the time, but you can just go to the site. You don't have to wait for them to be out there. So that's why I just sent you the site.
Oh, and I can just inquire from here.
Uh huh. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Okay, and you just pay the $50.
I don't think they $50 because I didn't pay $50. I didn't pay $50. I didn't pay nothing. So I don't know if there's a difference coming from the vet, but I didn't pay no $50. Mm-mm. I don't know. What kind of dog you want? None of these dogs are cute. Oh, they got huskies.
The fuck is a husky?
Oh, but that's, I don't know. See, I couldn't do a big dog. I have to do a small dog. Oh my gosh, they have a Frenchie. Oh, it's a female. It's a Frenchie terrier. Oh, so cute.
I don't see no damn Frenchie on here. Them
It's
motherfuckers.
bull Frenchie. It's 5 years. Oh, the baby's 5 years old.
They be growling too much.
Mm, mm.
I'm trying to see this stuff.
Yeah, I would go for a small dog because you could raise them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, they got a retriever mix, a male and a female. But yeah, I would get them small because you could train them. But none of the dogs come house trained or anything. Well, the bigger ones probably should, but mine is not house trained. But we house trained her.
Most dogs aren't house trained. I'm just
Yeah.
not $50. Not $50. Not $350. $50,
No.
yes. $350 is fucking insanity. I don't care. I don't care.
I think I see Diamond's mom. I see my dog's mom. You said Brian? Oh, okay. Well, cousin, let me do this donation and get this over with.
Okay, call me back. Bye.
All right.
Love you. Bye. Anywho, y'all. I hate when people be staring at me like they don't have nothing else better to do. But anywho, no. Um, so this one was actually free. Um, it was through SPCA. Excuse me. Um, I'm hungry. My stomach is on like empty. Um, But I literally just sat up here and thought about what I want to eat, and I got everything. Um, they had a couple like German. They had like big dogs. Well, they were little dogs, but you know, like they gonna be big dogs. So, no, I'm cool on that. Why you bring this big ass truck in here like that? That's insane. Um, but no, it just wasn't my baby wasn't just wasn't in there. There is a dog online that I had seen, but I just didn't inquire about her, and I can't find her. I don't know if that means she's adopted or what, or if I'm not looking on the site that I was looking at before. I don't know, but we're not going that way. 17 minutes, Lord. It's probably gonna be a little rocky because of what I got y'all on, but my head is starting to hurt.